Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this tutorial we're going to be working on a work cycle, and this is the second part of this tutorial. For the first part you can check the link in the description below, where we set up our scene. We converted this video here to an image sequence which we have here right now, converted with Adobe After Effects. Okay, so if you need any clarification, please watch the video, but if you're good to go, then let's start this here. Alright, so I downloaded this character from the net. What site was that? Yeah, Rusty Animator Bonnie character. So you can go download it. The link will be in the description box below the video. Okay, so let's start immediately. I'm new to this rig, so I'll try my best to understand it because I've not used it greatly. So first, I don't like FK animation where you have to rotate the hands, rotate or the part of the body. Okay, I prefer using FK. I prefer using IK. This is FK, sorry. I prefer using IK. So to switch to IK, just click here if you're using the same character and switch IK FK, change that to 0. Okay, and now you have this. See the difference? Okay, now you can move just using this single. Yeah, but I okay, what's happening here? Okay, so I want my hand to follow the chest movement. I want my hand to follow the chest movement. Even though it is on IK, I still want it to follow the chest. So I'm going to click on it and change this chest to 1. Now for other rigs it might not be like this. So now if I move this, yeah, it follows. That's good. So let's start immediately. So first I'm going to, let me delete this. Yes, so I'm going to create a quick select set for my control. So instead of dragging over everything to set a key, I'm going to create a quick select set. So to do that, just drag over once, go to create set, quick select set, and name this anything, say Bonnie underscore control. Okay, since I used underscore controls before, I'm just going to use underscore control without an S, so add to shelf. So we have this here. So I can select Bonnie controls and this gets selected. Very good. So let's start immediately. I want to make this tutorial as short as ever. So okay, I'll try not to jump steps. So select all the controls and press S while this selector here is on frame 0. My time slider is from frame 0 to 24 because that's the length of this walk, a single walk. So on frame 0, press S to set a key. Okay, so let's start working. Let's work with the legs first, legs and the waist. Select the waist, pull it down some bits. The leg is backward, the right leg is backward and lifted. Use the heel ball, lifted. The heel is rotated to some extent. Okay, so let's make this 4. Right, I hope that's not popping. Okay. Oops. 4. Okay, this should be 2.3. Okay, 2.3 is fine. And then the front leg. You can see the front leg is pretty angled, not as stretched as this leg behind. So this left leg is pretty angled. So which we have here, and then the heel ball again. Yeah, I'm using my middle mouse button to rotate upwards, to rotate either upwards or downwards. Alright, so when the waist is when the left leg is forward, the waist follows to some extent, so the waist is rotated forward to some extent. Alright, at that same point the chest, or shall I, okay, let me work on just the waist and legs first. So we have this, which is what we want. Let me move this some bit forward. Okay, because I rotated the waist, I need to adjust this. Alright, so we have this. Now select all the controls here with this quick selector we created and press S again. Go to the last frame, frame 24, and press S. So we have two keys, nothing happening, which is good. Now go to the center, frame 12. Yes, frame 12 has to be opposite of what we have here. So just click on the right leg. This is the right leg. Right click, copy, go to the left and paste. Okay, let's see that again. Right click, copy, go to the left and paste. Okay, so let's change this to negative value, -2. Yep. And now go to frame 0, copy this left, then go to frame 12, click on the right leg and paste. But then we still need to change this to negative value. Okay, I don't like what's happening here. Copy this and paste here. Negative. Okay, great. So make sure you key. I turned on auto key, so mine was keying automatically already. So make sure you turn on auto key when working. So before you, if your auto key is not turned on, before you leave this frame, so go to frame 0, make sure you press S before you leave this frame. But when you turn auto key on, yeah, it helps you key your controls automatically. But then when you're done, you can still select everything, Bony controls, and press S. So now we have 0, 12 and 24 all keyed. So let's play to see what we have. Alright, we have this. Okay, save my work. Oh, okay, yes, on frame 12 we have to go the opposite way. The waist has to go opposite. I almost forgot that. What we had here was this, so we're going to change it so as the rotate Y, we'll make it positive now, so it gets rotated the other way. Good, so this is what we have now. Yeah, so okay, this is good. Okay, so let's look at the next. Okay, step here at frame 6, which is in between 0 and 12. At frame 6, the waist goes upwards. Ignore the legs for now. The waist go upward. So copy that as 0.015. Go to frame 18 and paste. So this is what we have now. Alright, now let's look at the legs. This is the right leg, which is at the back. Okay, at this point the right leg stretched backward some more at the tip. Okay, so this reduces. Let's make it 0. Leg rotates. Okay, let me see. Okay, so we have to use this one. We have to use this. I'm trying to look at the feet. It's almost vertical, almost vertical. And then there's an angled at the knee. There's an angle here. So let's try and replicate that. Okay. Good. We have this. My auto key is on, so I don't have to select. I don't want to select all and key. I just want only my leg, this leg, to be keyed here. So if you look at my knee, there's no key here, but there is on 12 and 24. So here I just want this leg keyed. So I'm going to press S, and I'm going to copy it, then go to 12, 13, 14, 15 and paste it on the left leg. Okay, so I have to negate the values. Okay, this is 62.90. Let's see this one and this. Okay, good. All right, so that's for the left, for that leg there. So at this point, at frame 6, that same leg behind has moved forward. Still rotated. Okay, then it's heading to the ground here. Good. So let me bring it down a little. Okay, so we need to copy this from the right, copy, and click on the left leg. We're going to go 3 frames after that and paste. How do I know it's 3 frames? I'm just using my reference. Okay, from what I have here, it was 3 frames after my last key. So here also for the left will be 3 frames after my last key. So I just have to take negate this like I did before. All right, I think I have, yes. Okay, so let me turn off the curves so I can see what I have clearly. So there's a jerking on the leg and the back. Okay, so for this also I'll just rotate it some bits. Okay, okay, so now let's move upwards to the upper body, the chest and the hands. So back to frame 1, frame 12, and then frame 24. At frame 0. At frame 0, when the waist is rotated this way, like when the left leg is at the front, the chest tries to go backwards, tries to balance the body. So I'm going to select these two chests. Let's see what this control first. Okay, this control first spine, this controls the next, and then this controls the chest. So let's select 3 of them, and we're going to rotate it back to yes. Okay, something like this, because the hand is going to move forward. So let's rotate it this way such that the opposite hand is pointing forward. So we have this. So copy this and paste here for on the last frame. Paste. So we're going to negate the value. Yeah, we're going to paste it here too, but negate the value minus. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's see that. Alright. Okay, this checking on the leg, I'll fix it, but let's keep going. The hands, of course, on frame 0 now, when the left leg is at the front, the right hand is at the front. This is the shoulder control, right? That's the shoulder, so we don't need that yet. This is the hand. Move it downwards, rotate. Okay, let's look at, oh, this is our end and it's pointing forward, right? Yes, so let's move it forward. Let's take note of the front view also. See, it is arced to the front of the body. So after taking note of this side view, let's also look at the front view. The hand is to some extent in front of the body. It's relaxed. The fingers. Oh, is there a control for all the fingers? Let's see. Okay, we have to select the fingers one after the other. Okay, luckily enough, they're not separated, so that makes it easy for us. Okay, so oops. So basically, this index finger is always less curved than if we had multiple fingers here, like 4 fingers on here. Each one close to the index finger will curve lesser than the one away from it. So this is how it should be. That's how humans are naturally. So if we had some others, the middle fingers and others, and pinky and all, each one up till the pinky will curve more than the one before it. So you can study humans. That's how our hands are basically. Okay, so we have this angled here. set key on that just for that hand, copy it, go to frame 24, paste it. Okay, then oh, for the right hand also we have to do the same thing we did, switch to IK, then here we want it to follow the chest. All right, just like we did here, right? Chest, yes. So copy, let's copy this right hand pose. Oh my god, what happened? Okay, I didn't copy the fingers, so let me copy the fingers. I pressed F to zoom in very fast, so copy these fingers also and paste it on frame 24. Okay, good. Now let's copy both the fingers and the hand. Copy, as for the right hand, and on frame 12 we're going to paste it for what's happening. Yeah, key. Okay, key. I didn't key this, that's why. So frame 0, on frame 12 is still 0, and on frame, okay, so on frame 12 just paste again. I guess we have to copy it one by one after the other. Sorry for the English. Copy and then paste it here. Ooh, oh my god, we have to, let's see, and get the values. This be negative. Oops, no, that should be there. But what's wrong with the fingers? So copy from, okay, let's just do that manually since it's just a finger. Okay, set key for this. Oh, we almost forgot the thumb. Select all of this, then rotate. Okay, so for this also, okay, so I'm setting keys at frame 0, 12 and 24 again. For the right and here at frame 12, oh my god, I'm going to copy this at frame 12 and paste. Sorry, I'm going to copy. Okay, so at frame 12 it should be at the back, right? Okay, at frame 12 it should go backwards. So let's fix that. At frame 12 this should go backwards. Okay, look at the hand when it's at the back. It's kind of pointed outwards. This is my elbow, elbow joint, so I'll use it that way. Then my fingers are still the same. So I'm going to delete what I have here. Yes, so what was here just replaced what is here. I'm going to key. So I have this. So let's look at the side view. What do I have here? Okay. Alright, so let's do that for this hand also. I don't know, should I copy? Let me copy this. Do I have to start negating again? Copy, go to frame 12. Okay, I'm copying this, right? Then go to frame 12. Okay, this is what I want to copy. Actually, this is what I want to copy. Go to frame 0, click here and paste. Okay, but I have to negate minus. Okay, that is what we have. Then the fingers we can copy. Just select the fingers, delete the key you have here, so you should pick the one here, then just key it and copy, paste, and also copy, paste. So what we have on frame 0, first let's work on this finger, delete this. Okay, then so what we have on frame 0 should be the same with what we have on frame 24. Copy, paste. So another way to copy and paste is by clicking on 0, then middle mouse click on 24 and just press S, so that way it is copied. 12 is the opposite. Okay, so let's see what we have. Alright, so at frame 6 the hands are pulled downwards, or let me end this here, so we'll continue this in the final video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you love this tutorial. See you in the next video.